Ready, set, let's play. We're here at our new listing at Club Longboat, located at 5055 Gulf of Mexico Drive, Unit 535. This is a very unique community. Club Longboat has 8 Har-Tru tennis courts, 2 swimming pools, and it has 750 feet of beautiful views of the Gulf of Mexico and the white sand beach. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautifully unit. As you enter, you have beautiful engineered wood floors. This unit was brought down to the studs and was totally redesigned. As you enter the kitchen area here, you will see you have a Sub-Zero refrigerator, Wolf induction cooktop, Miele dishwasher, quartz countertops. The beautiful ceilings here have been opened up with nice high ceilings. As you enter here in the living room, you have cathedral ceilings with beautifully exposed beams. And as you enter the master, it has its own private balcony with, again, views of the ocean with sunset every single night. If you would like more information about this unit or schedule a showing or see other properties on Longboat Key, give us a call. We can be reached at 941-387-1818.